I was just really impressed by how well Pranam knew the land. He knew it like it was his own, backyard.
He just remains a really personable, upbeat, positive person who's the type of guy you'd want to be your friend. But in terms of the follow-up, he's been fantastic. It's been seamless, consistent, really easy to get in touch with. He gets back in touch with us right away every time we email him or call him.
So we feel really well cared for, and we feel really secure in the fact that we're going to be building not only our home, but a solar green home. He put us in touch with a solar energy expert, and anybody that we could possibly need to make the home building process comfortable and green, he's really set us up with that.
I really feel like he's a friend as well, and it was precisely that comfort level with him as just a real guy and as a genuine friend that made me comfortable doing business with him.
Pranam is honest. That's the part that really hit home for me the most. I got an instant feeling of authenticity from him.
It wasn't some kind of legalistic strategy that he was pursuing in terms of tricking us into signing documents or anything like that. It was quite the opposite, that he just kept working with us, and he's still working with us, and you know, it seems like he trusted us as much as we trusted him, and it's all been able to go smoothly.
So accommodating. He made every step of the way just really smooth and easy for us.